Good morning, friends, and happy Friday. I'm trying to cool off with the motion of the fan. I have it oscillating in our room. That way it takes the air blowing from the ceiling and blows it around our room so it's nice and cool in here. But trying to cool off a little bit. Lovely. Oh my gosh. Feels so good to like cool off a little bit. I just realized my fan needs clean too. It's a little on the dusty side. Alrighty, so hey, hi friends. Happy Friday. Happy Memorial Day weekend. Lots of fun things planned for those around the world, I'm sure. Nothing for us planned this weekend except for Monday. Monday we're supposed to be next door, hanging out at our neighbor's house, but it's supposed to rain all day long. Well, I can't say all day long. It's supposed to rain. I don't know if it's gonna rain like all day, if it's gonna be like scattered thunderstorms, who knows. Yesterday was supposed to rain and we got 0 rain yesterday and it was so sunny, it was so nice outside, and then last night it like poured. But yeah, so you know, I'm excited about hanging next door. I wish I could leave Monday instead. I told Brian, I'm like, I think I might leave Monday instead of waiting till Tuesday morning. I just want to be at Disney. And yeah, so I would just kind of rather be at Disney than, yeah. So anyway, let's talk about that. So let's talk about Disney. Where am I at? Today's Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, 4 days away from leaving for Disney. I'm still kind of throwing t-shirts inside of my suitcase. I'm still trying to get some laundry done and just kind of deciding on what I'm gonna wear. I'm thinking like this shirt right here is one of the shirts that I'm gonna wear because it is sleeveless. It is, oh, it's raining. Again, it's raining. It is sleeveless, it's comfortable, it's very lightweight. It makes my shoulders look really broad and big and whatever. And it is what it is, it is what it is, it's gotta be blah, blah, blah. But it's cute. It's navy blue and white stripes and I absolutely love it. I love some stripes, and then I just have it on with some like khaki shorts, but you guys can see my beautiful belly hanging out there. Yeah, I'm gonna be working on that soon. Probably when I get back from Disney, I'm just gonna like devote myself to getting up in the mornings and going walking, and then everything else is just gonna have to fall in place that day. Don't know, regardless of like where it is or what it's gonna be, but I'm definitely gonna be starting to walk and starting to lose some weight. So I've just kind of been putting it off because I just haven't been like, you know, feeling it. But when I put clothes on, it's like I need to really feel it, and so I need to get my act together and go do it. So when I get back from Disney, I'm gonna start walking probably around 7:30, 7:45, 8 o'clock, somewhere around there. I'm gonna walk, and I'm gonna go walk for a good 30 minutes. I'm gonna try to get at least 2 to 3 miles in, something that I did a couple of years ago when I lost all my weight. I've actually kind of put some weight back on, but whatever. We'll just have to work towards it. But yeah, then today, Brian actually has a half a day off, and I was supposed to go get my hair done. I was supposed to be sitting in the chair right now getting my hair done, but Brian has a half a day, so I'm like, fine. I canceled my hair appointment. I made it for the 20th. And then today, when he gets home at like 12:30, we're gonna go run maybe to the Joint chiropractic place and maybe get him aligned. And then at 2 o'clock, I have to drop off my car to get an oil change, so he and I will probably just walk behind the oil change place and just kind of sit there for a little while and grab some Mexican and then eat that and chit chat and then wait for my car to be done, and then we can go. So yeah, that's the plan. And then right now, what I'm getting ready to go do is I'm getting ready to go to my room back here, and I'm gonna go film a couple of more videos that I have to add for on my channels next week, my this channel and then my Adventures in Wonderland channel. I'm gonna be adding a bunch more videos over there. I've already added 3. If you guys have missed those videos, I started the videos the other day of traveling tips and tips for traveling alone, and those tips are just like for traveling alone, except for like, you know, stopping in well-lit places, the safety issues of being able to travel alone, but those are good for even if you're traveling, you know, with your spouse or your friend or your child or whatever the case may be. Those tips can be used for that as well. My hair is driving me crazy. Sorry guys if I keep touching my hair. And then the second day was my emergency kit, like things that I kept in my car, like, or things that I keep in my car, like jumper cables, flashlight, extra batteries. And then today's was my first aid kit that I keep in my car at all times as well. And then I think today I might show you guys like where I store that. I haven't even thought about like maybe making a video on how I store it and where I put it at and how I keep it in my trunk. So I think I might go ahead and do maybe that extra video today as like a bonus video. I kind of like thought about it the last minute and go, huh, I could do like a 4th video for this. So I think that's what I'm gonna do today. So if that's the case, then I have 1 video to go up on this channel next week, and then I'll have 3 videos to go up next week on the other channel. So I've been busy making videos this week so I can have something every day next week on my channel. So but anyway, I'm gonna go back there in my room and do that, and I will check back in with you guys a little bit later. Bye. Alrighty guys, so I'm sitting outside waiting for Brian to come home, and I wanted to show you guys, I bought some new sandals. I bought some CHACOS, and I was hoping that I could wear these at the parks instead of wearing like socks and tennis shoes. I'm just curious. I just want to wear sandals. I don't want to wear socks and tennis shoes. So I was hoping that these would be very comfortable. I bought a pair a couple of years ago, but they weren't exactly what I was looking for. But these are like your more like original CHACOS that people buy. But this is what they look like. So I'm gonna wear these today, and I'm gonna see if I can break them in, and I'm gonna see how well they fit and how well they work, and make sure that I don't get like, my back doesn't start hurting, my feet don't start hurting, that type of thing. But I mean, I like them, and I think that they're just really cute, and I got a black color, so because black can go with everything. So so far though, so good. I like them, but I'm just like, I don't know, have you guys ever had CHACOS before? And if so, let me know what you guys think of them. I like them. They don't like unbuckle or anything like that. They just like loosen up on the sides. So they just loosen up and tighten on the sides. There is no like buckle to them. But I don't know. I like them. What do you guys think? It's gonna storm again. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired of the rain. We have had enough rain. Brian's home, so we're heading over to the joint chiropractic place right now, so hopefully he can get in on this alignment. And then I'm gonna drop my car off, and we're gonna go sit at the Mexican restaurant. And I swear to God, I told Brian this schedule yesterday, and he completely was like, that's not what we had planned. I go, yes it is. I told you what we had planned. This is what we were gonna go do when you got home from work. Oh, I don't remember. Of course not. Do you guys have one of these? It's like, seriously, men, if you don't like put it on their arm as a tattoo or something, they'll forget. They forget. So now I'm sitting in the car waiting for him to come out. Oh, there he comes. What do you know? Ah, man. Now he's gonna complain about the air being too cold. Watch. So Brian and I are back from our errands. It took almost 2.5 hours again for my car, even though I made an appointment. So I was a little like about it. Then we ran and got air filters, and I went to my P.O. box to pick up some stuff, and now I'm back home, and he's home too. I don't know where he went. I think he's outside. But I've just kind of been back here in my room trying to get some more stuff taken care of, and some shirts folded and some shorts out that I'm going to be bringing. I've put some more stuff in my suitcase and just kind of rearranged some things. I'm trying to eliminate as many bags that I have to carry in as possible, since it is just me. I want to be able to make one trip, which I don't think is going to happen, but because I'm going to have my cooler and all of my food So it'll probably be 2 trips unless I can get concierge to grab one of those carts and I can take it out. But anyway, nonetheless, so I've kind of narrowed things down to about this. I've really emptied that out, took out all of the extras that I just don't need. I've put some extra like personal hygiene things inside of here, meds, all that stuff is ready to go. I pulled out another plastic little bag just in case for whatnots. I put some more shirts in there. I just have to fold them. I'm gonna put those shirts in there, gotta fold those. I pulled out these shorts. These are the red ones that I got at Target, absolutely love them. And I pulled out my black shorts that are right there, so I'm just gonna have to match up like shirts and stuff for these. I have my red and black skirt there that I got from J. Crew, not sure yet if I'm gonna bring those. I have my purse. I pulled out my mini bag because that's usually the mini bag that I put all of my toiletries in. So like my makeup mirror is in there, my hair dryer is in there. This bag fits really, really nicely in there. And then these can just sit like separately inside of there. I'm hoping to be able to fit this inside of there as well while packing. Not exactly sure that's going to happen. If it doesn't, oh well, it's no big deal. I can carry that. And then of course my computer bag over there. So even though it looks like I haven't narrowed it down, I have narrowed it down tremendously. It just may not look like it right now. But look at that little guy over there. Let's zoom in on him and I bet you he's very excited about going too. Hello, Mickey Mouse. I know, 4 more days. He's pretty excited too. But yeah, so here I am trying to get all this stuff together, and slowly but surely it's gonna come together. Obviously I'll have everything that I need eventually. I'll have it all done by, I'm hoping by at least Monday, early afternoon, late evening. Even though we do have a picnic and stuff to go to next door, I'm definitely gonna make sure that I have everything that I need and done by Monday, maybe even by Sunday. But yeah, so that's it. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with us today. Hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up, and I will see you guys next week at Disney. Bye.